Hello and welcome to Groq LLMs. In this video, we will going to talk about the Groq LLM. Here I have opened their website in my Google. Here you can see what is Groq in LLM. Groq is a chip company founded by ex-Google Tech. And if we talk about is Groq better than ChatGPT or not, here they are saying that Groq is a lightning fast AI accelerator that beats ChatGPT and Gemini. So if we talk about Groq is free or not, here they say that Groq could undergo many modifications. There is no charge for these modifications services, but for accessing their high features, you should have to buy subscriptions. Now if we talk about why Groq is lightning fast, so here they are saying that Groq is serving in large language model, and here the effective bandwidth generate speed higher in magnitude than even HBM. Now let's go to the website. Here I am showing you about the subscription that you can buy. Here you can see the AI models and their current speed and their input token and output token prices. You can try that free, but later on you have to buy subscription for them. Similarly, you can see the vision models here. They also have a batch API and they offer 25% discount on this API. Now if you open their website, here you can see that how their website looks. Here they say that Groq is fast AI interference. Let's test it out how much fast it will gonna reply. So here I'm writing define yourself. For using their chat feature, first you have to log in. Here for login you can choose Google or whatever you want. I'm choosing Google. And after creating the account, you can choose their chat feature. Here you can see that within less than 1 second, Groq has created such a long answer. And if we compare its speed with ChatGPT and Gemini, for sure Groq has more speed and it can really beat ChatGPT. Now if we talk about their IP key features, here they are saying that their IP key can be categorized into two main types, public IP key and private IP keys. Public are available and can be used by anyone to access the IP. The private keys are confidential and not everyone can access that. These are the keys people usually use for sensitive data. And if we talk about the formats in which IP key can be used, starting with the string 1. String 1 is basically a format that is used in public keys. JSO and web token, this is the format used for private keys. And the out token, this is the format used to authenticate requests. And if we talk about why people use IP, basically people use IP for accessing data and performing actions and tracking. This can be used to monitor performance, identify users with the IP. If we talk about how we can create our IP key, for creating IP keys you have to follow all of these steps. So first you have to choose an IP provider or platform, then check the IP documentations, authorization or getting started. Sign up for an account. Generating an IP key basically involves few steps. If you want to create your new IP, then you can create your new IP in your settings or dashboard. And you can also request an IP key from IP providers or platforms. After creating the IP, you have to set a password or security keys to your IP. And you have to specify your IP by giving access permission to your IP. And you can also set a time limit or expiry date for your IP. And after doing all these things, you can use your IP key. Now for creating IP, click on the 3 lines in the top. After clicking on these lines, you can see the options here, product developers. Now in developer, you can see the option free IP key. Click on that. Here you can see create IP key. Simply click on that. Here you have to write a name and you have to submit. After submitting, they will ask you to copy it now as they will not gonna display it again. So simply copy and save it. And after copying, you can see that our IP has been created. Here you can see the edit option. You can add your IP key from here, and you can see here when it is created, and you can see that when it was last used. And that was all about Groq LLM. If you find this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.